right, see, I'm spraying it wet. Then I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna dry inside the heart. Okay, so then I'm gonna just pick up colors. And so see all these streaks and everything. So what that is, let's see, I've got some colors here. I'm just gonna use the colors I already have out here. Now, you can take a fan brush or a flat brush, and I'm gonna take medium and say a little bit of the pink melon, maybe some purple. I'm just using whatever colors I have, so this is darker. All right, so blues over here. And then I did a little bit of a thicket because it was more muted. So you decide. All right. And I have some spots in here. I did do some magenta like colors. All right. Down here. So let's get some blue in here and maybe some citrus so I can use floating medium and let it. Okay. All right. So, or the fan brush could do that. Now I'm going to put a paper towel right here because they're going to make a mess with it. So look, I'm going to go. See that? A little bit down here. Now, as I let this run, okay, you can take a blow dryer and do some cool things to it. You have to let that dry some, all right? And then you could just clean it off some more, okay? And then from that point on, I just did the same thing is, let's say I'm gonna pick up some pink melon and red, and I went around here. This is, I use floating medium. I can do some colors in here. Just imagine whatever colors you want. And let's say I did blue down here, but I did purple. I'm just trying to show you. See this? And you're gonna come around. Okay, so listen, floating medium. Okay. A little bit of yellow ochre. Okay, because you want that part separate. See, we can do more little dots. Okay. So you can let it run a little bit or let it dry. I did hit it with a blow dryer though. But, or you can just let it sit there and make it run like this. Okay.